Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the mining news on Commodity.TV. Greenbridge Metals recently announced that it plans to unlock the unrecognized value of a historic core drilling program that intersected copper-nickel mineralization at the Skibo prospect, part of the South Contact Zone project. Historic core drilling discovered significant copper-nickel mineralization at the Skibo prospect, but a significant portion of the core between the upper and lower intercepts has not been sampled. Sampling portions of the drill core that have never been assayed or analyzed could expand the thickness of known copper-nickel mineralization that has been reported in the past. The results of this sampling program will also provide valuable information to develop an exploration model for copper, nickel and/or titanium vanadium mineralization in the area. A few days ago, Mawson Gold announced that it has entered into an arrangement agreement with SUA Holdings, a newly formed wholly owned subsidiary of Mawson. Pursuant to this agreement, the company proposes to spin out its uranium assets in Sweden to SUA in exchange for SUA common shares and to distribute 100% of the SUA common shares it then holds to Mawson shareholders on a pro rata basis. As a result, upon completion of the arrangement, Mawson shareholders, other than those who withhold their consent, will also become shareholders of SUA, and SUA will no longer be a subsidiary of Mawson. In connection with the arrangement, Mawson has subscribed for additional SUA common shares for an aggregate amount of $600,000 to provide working capital to the new company. These additional SUA common shares will also be distributed to Mawson shareholders as part of the arrangement. Next milestone for Millennial Potash. The fertilizer exploration company announced a few days ago details of a recent visit by the President of Gabon to the towns of Mayumba and Ndindi at the MLP's Banio Potash project. The President reiterated his support for the Banio Potash project, a commitment he had originally conveyed to CEO Fahad Abbasov in December 2023. The general manager of Mayumba Potash, MLP's Gabonese subsidiary, presented the president with the results of the company's latest PEA and provided a timeline for potential production. President Brice Oligui Nguema was then presented with a section of potash-rich drill core from the company's Banio Potash project, expressing his full support for the project and his support for development in the region. The president also noted that the government would work closely with MLP to ensure permitting, community development and economic benefits for the entire region. MLP is a clear buy. Mogotes Metals celebrates chances to find. Mogotes Metals recently reported the receipt and first interpretation of previously unreported large IP and ground magnetic data over the Filo Sur project adjacent to the world-class Filo Sur copper-gold-silver project in the prolific Vicuna district of Argentina. As part of a systematic review of the Filo Sur project datasets, the company approached the former operators of the project to search the archives and find valuable geophysical data and reports. They were able to recover long-lost data, including extensive ground magnetic data from 2012 and DCIP line geophysical data from 2004 to 2012 that was previously unavailable. This discovery increases the coverage of surface ground magnetic data by 88% and increases the ground magnetic coverage and surface DCIP lines from 20 to 66 kilometers, all without having to spend really a lot of money. Investors love that, and we like the company. You really should check it out. You can also find all the information on our Commodity.TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like, and more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed will be part of the SRC Mining Specialist Situation Certificates, and I'm a shareholder or will be a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.